Hi there. I've discovered something interesting on Amazon. It's a large set of accessories for the GoPro, Osmo Action, or any other action camera. As you can see on the screenshot, you have a lot of choice of accessories that you can use with your action camera. You have a selfie stick, a tripod which is flexible. You have a mount for your wrist, for your torso, for your head. You even have mounts for your bike, and basically it's a lot of choice that you have in one small package, and it was around 30 bucks. So let's see, I will unbox it right now and let's see if it's worth the money that I've spent on it. You get a nice bag with it, so it's easy to travel it around, to move it around. So let's check the bag. It has zippers. It's just a simple bag, like synthetic fabric. By the way, guys, I will include the link in the description so you can find it on Amazon. But yeah, it's nothing too fancy, but it looks good. It's fine. Let's open it up. Then we are greeted with a lot of plastic, but also a lot of accessories. So let's start on the left. This should be something, I don't know how you call it, I think a buoy. It's basically you can mount it on your action camera, and it keeps it afloat in water. So it's interesting. And it comes with a mounting screw. So that's also fine and nice to have. Let's see what we have more. Let's open this up. It's a bummer that they've used a lot of plastic. I don't think it's really ecologically friendly, but yeah. I would suggest to the supplier to use less plastic. It comes in a bag, so what's the purpose of all those plastic bags? This is like a Velcro attachment. On first sight, I don't know how to use this one, so please let me know in the comments below if you know what's the purpose of this. Then we have some stickers, it seems. Then we have more stickers. Let me put that on the side. Here we have the tripod. The legs are flexible. It's plastic. It feels cheap, but yeah, I think it should do what it needs to do. Don't get me wrong, it doesn't feel like very cheap and easy to break, but yeah, it doesn't feel like high end also. It's just basic, let me say it like that. You have an extra bag. It's like flimsy, nothing too shabby. Here we have some multiple adhesive mounts. You can use this basically to temporarily attach your action camera like GoPro or Osmo Action to your helmet or whatever. Basically, they've included multiple adhesive tools, and yeah, it's nice. What do we have here? Let me unwrap this one. Okay, this should be the head mount, so you can carry around the GoPro on your head. It feels good. I think it should be comfortable. You can resize it to whatever size. Then we can go to the right side. We have a selfie stick. It is telescopic, so you can make it larger if needed. You can adjust also the angle of the GoPro if you mount it on it, and then secure it after you adjusted the angle you want. It gets quite long, but honestly, I don't know, it feels a bit iffy. It's not smooth at all, but yeah, it should do its job, I guess. If you would want me to review when I've used it for a certain time, please don't hesitate to request it on the comments below. If you're interested, I would happily make an opinion on all those attachments. This is the body mount, so you can carry it on your torso, carry your camera. You can, similarly to the head mount, you can resize it to whatever size you need, to your likings. And it's also elastic bands, so it's stretchy bands. What do we got here? Let me open this up. At the end of the video I will try to fit all the accessories to the screen so you can see all of them at once. I think this should be for your bike. To attach to the steer of your bike, probably. Or even whatever handle, you could use it on other handles too. We have multiple screwing tools, attachment tools. That's great to see. I thought this is for the wrist, but it's obviously for something else. Please let me know if you can identify this. I have no clue for what that is. This one is interesting. It's basically a clip with a spring, so you can attach it to wherever you want. Like for me, first, if I think about it, it might be like handy to attach it to your backpack, or yeah, it might be useful to use it. You can clip it around wherever you want, so it should be very flexible to use. What do we have here? We have a car mount. It's nice that they've included multiple adjustment possibilities, so you can move it left to right, but also top to bottom. It seems very flexible. You can adjust it however you want. Of course, I don't know if it will be very secure, if the system is good enough to keep your camera on its spot. What do we have more? There is a lot of accessories, as you can see, guys. This also seems like similarly to the bike attachment tool. I think this is something similar, like you can attach your camera to a pole or a bar or even whatever handle. That's also nice. Like you could attach it to some kind of pole or okay. We have almost done. I see two more bags, maybe more. Okay, this is for the wrist. This is obvious, I think. This is for the wrist, and you can even turn around your camera on 360 degrees. I I don't know if this is really fun or handy to use. Have you guys used it already? Some kind of accessory like this that you carry around your camera on your wrist? Like, what are the advantages? Isn't it tiring that you have to keep your hand or wrist like up? But yeah, it should be interesting to try it out myself also. This is nothing too fancy, just a Velcro strap. You can wrap it around your wrist, you can adjust it, it's simple Velcro. But this one is not, it's like really plastic, it's not like fabric or stretchy material, it's just a plain plastic Velcro strip. Here you can see it on my wrist. Okay, I think we're moving on to the end, to the latest bag. We have this. This one also, I don't know what it is. We have more mounts. And this one you can attach it to the adhesive mounts. Like so, I will try to illustrate. Like so, you can attach it, and then with the adhesive mount, like the adhesives, you can paste it out on whatever you want, like on your helmet or whatever, basically on your wall. Then we have more attachment tools. Honestly, I think it is worth it. Like, there are a lot of accessories, and I think if you would buy them one by one, I'm pretty sure it might cost a lot of money, like more than 30 bucks that I've paid for. What's also nice, you have like a bunch of screwing tools. Like if you lose your screw, mounting screw, you have like basically multiple backup ones. And obviously, like for me myself or the average user of an action camera, I'm sure you will not use all of those accessories, but it's still like nice to know and to have, like whenever you are thinking about to do some kind of different shot. It's nice to know that like you have for sure something that you might use. For example, me myself, I'm not really a selfie user, selfie stick user, but like whenever I'm in the mood, I might just pick this selfie stick up and yeah, so I don't have to order it separately or whatever. You have like everything at your disposal. So yeah, then we have here a contact sheet or paper, whatever. New work customer service. Okay, that's about it. So here you have like a spot to put your accessories in, and then you have here also like different sections. So let me try to fit all the accessories on the camera. We have the tripod with flexible feet. It feels flimsy, but it should do its job. We have the bike mount. Let's move away the plastic bags. Okay, then we have a smaller bag to move the accessories around. I would personally never use it. It's like really too bad quality, something simple. We have some adhesives. I'm not really sure for what, but we have them. We have some, I think you call it lanyards, and some tool that I do not recognize straight away. We have a buoy, so basically to attach your camera and keep your camera afloat, floating in water. We have multiple adhesive mounts, another attachment like to Then we have the car mount, the selfie stick, which is telescopic and you can change the angle. Another adhesive attachment tool. Yeah, of course some of them are like curved and some of them are straight, the adhesive mounts. We have a bunch of those. We have another like attachment. I think you can use it for poles or pipes, whatever. Okay. A spare screw, some spare screws. Yeah, the clipping mount. This was a wrist mount with Velcro strap. It will be a hard time to get all of the items on camera, but yeah, I will do my best. I'll try to mention them anyways. And this one I did not recognize also, so please let me know. We have the body attachment, the head mount, this is also something I'm not really aware of. I'm counting how many items there are right now because it should be 50, but I think like they even counted like the adhesive separately and the screw and the mounts also separately. So yeah, if you count it like that, you should get like 50-ish pieces. So yeah, if you ask me if it worth it, it depends. Like if you will never use the accessories you see on the screen, it should not really worth your money. But if you're like if you're seeing like multiple items that you're sure that you will be using, like myself, then it should be worth it. Like you get a lot of accessories for the money you pay for, and if you would like buy some items on the screen you're seeing right now, it can get up to the same price quickly. So and it's not the best kind of quality of material they've used for these items, but it should do its job. So yeah, please let me know what you think about this video. If you have any suggestions, please let me know. And if you would like me to review the items more in depth, please let me know in the comments below. Please like and subscribe because I will be doing more unboxing videos but also tech reviews. Thank you, take care, bye.